Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing, but this one has already kind of been unboxed, as in I've already done the part where you just open the box, and this time we're just going to dive into the Ricoh Theta. Isn't this thing awesome? I think so. And you're like, what in the world is that? So let's find out. What you do is you pull this little tab over here. Oh, there we go. Almost broke it. And you turn the box like that. And then you open the box like this. And inside, you'll find the Ricoh Theta 2. And just be very, very careful with it because it has lenses. What? Lenses? What are those? Well, this is 2022, so hopefully you know what lenses are. Anyhow, this is a camera. This is a virtual 360 camera.
Likey.